In this video, I'm going to show you how to sample a specific photo album on iPhone home screen. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. First of all, on your iPhone home screen, press and hold until that option appear. Then tap on plus icon in this top left corner, and here is all the widget style. You can select photos, but if you not find photos here, you can find here, or you can just get photos, tap on, and it's open featured sample options, and select any of those. As you can see, here is album option. You can select any of these. I'm selecting that one, so tap on add widget and it will be opened on your home screen. Then you can press and hold to place anywhere, like this, another place, or like that. Then tap on done to add, and after that tap and hold and tap on edit widget. Then here's open album, tap on, and here's open all the album on you have on your photo gallery. So I'm selecting favorite one, and after that tap on blank space, it will add it. So after that your photo will be shuffled randomly, depend on your photo on your album. So that for you can add a specific photo album on iPhone home screen. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.